Lunchtime.
Mr. Cloppity, please can we take the rocket to Gavin's now?
Well, I suppose my sandwich can wait. To the launch pad!
Come on, Denzel.
But what if he's still angry with me?
Just remember, all you need to do is say sorry.
Oh, hello again.
Hi, Mr. Bleat. Is Gavin there, please?
Huh?
There's someone here to see you. Go on.
I'm really sorry for breaking your rocket, Gavin.
And I'm sorry I was cross. I know you didn't mean to.
Can we be friends again?
Friends.
Ready, Mr. Cloppity?
Yes.
Now you and Denzel are friends again. We've made something that will really cheer you up.
What is it?
Well, I know you both like rockets, so...
Ta-da!
Wow!
Me, Denzel and Mr. Cloppity made it. It's called Bodger Boom 1.
It's amazing!
And it can really fly!
Look at his fins, Denzel. Psst. Bodger Boom 1, ready for zero gravity. All systems are go!
Roger! Standing by for 7 orbits around the moon.
Thanks, everyone. This is the best surprise ever!
This is Commander Cloppity. Are we ready for liftoff?
Roger. Affirmative, Commander Cloppity. We are ready.
Yay! So you just jump on this pump as hard as you can.
Go on, Denzel.
No, you can do it.
OK. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
To the moon! It's coming back! Stand by for impact.
Cheese! The moon is made of cheese.
Aye, and who knew we'd find pickle up there too?
Should we make a Bodger Boom 2 now? Bodger Boom 1's a bit cheesy.
I've got a better idea. Why don't we be Bodger Boom 2? Blast off!
Yay!
To the moon!
Oh, mix yourselves together, adding fun all the while.
Blend a handful of kindness with a mouthful of smile.
Sprinkle in some laughter and a pinch of ever after.
That's how you make best friends. Make the best of friends, friends, friends. If you break up, always mend them, friends. Kiss and make up and you never end them, mend them. That's how you make best friends.
The fun will never end.
Catch, Pops!
Hi, Pops. Just what I need.
Hiya, Bodgy. A plastic bottle.
3 plastic bottles and strinidin.
Here you go, Bodge. What do you need it for?
We're trying to get a tiddly quacker over the water back to his family.
Ah,
Come to the pond.
This we must see.
too right.
Hey, everyone.
Oh, what have you got there, Bodge?
It's a floaty bob raft, Mr. Cloppity. And I need to tie it to your sailboat.
Of course. Serenity's as sturdy as a prize bull. Or perhaps we should call her Cloppity's Castaway.
But how's that going to get the duckling back to its family? The duckling likes following me as toy duck. So if the toy duck goes to the island, the duckling will follow. Oh. Mia, can I borrow your toy duck, please? You'll get it back. OK, here you go. OK, quackers. Ready for a big swim together?
Come on, everyone! Our maiden voyage needs a big puff of wind!
Aye, aye, Captain Clopperty.
1, 2, 3, blow!
Go on, Tiddly Quacker. Swim! Swim!
Hooray!
Come
You
on!
can do it!
Over there! Oh, back with its mummy where it belongs.
Oh.
No, you can keep it.
You know, I think I've got a good name for your boat, Mr. Clopperty.
Really?
How about the Duckling? Yay!
The duckling! Just perfect!
G'day! Did you get the duckling across the water?
We sure did, Pops!
Look!
I think this calls for a little song. Don't you, Mimi?
Quacking idea, Pops.
If you want to go fly, little guy, go swim, little thing, go race, little ace.
Well, you go have a try, little guy, then you come home to me.
If you get in a flap, little chap, homesick, little chick, unstuck, little duck.
Or you just miss your mum, little chum, then you come home to me.
I like you to have fun, little one. I love you to run free.
And when the day is done, little one, then you come home to me.
Boo! I'm Bodge. And today I'm going to feed the ducks at the boating lake. Oops. Better not forget their food. Quack, quack. Here, ducky duckies. Come and get it. Quack, quack, quack.
Oi, you ducks!
Huh? Who said that?
Get off my land!
Oh, it's you, Denzel.
It's Farmer Denzel.
Huh? Oh, I see. You're playing at being a farmer on your tractor.
Ooh-ah! Would you like to play farmers too?
That sounds fun. What do I do?
Well, you could be a scarecrow.
A scarecrow, yes! I can be a scarecrow. What is a scarecrow?
A scarecrow stands like this in the middle of a field and stops the birds eating all the seeds I just planted.
I can do that, Farmer Denzel. Oi, you birds! Get off his land.
You're the best scarecrow ever, Bodge.
Oh, I think we've got a real bird, Denzel, and it's a real big one. Oh, get off his land. Oh, it's you, Gavin.
Hello, Bodge. How do you like my Mega Chopper 1000?
It's whirly buzz, Gavin.
Do you want to play helicopter pilots with me, Bodge?
Oh, yes. What do I do?
You can guide the helicopter into land with these.
Hey, leave my scarecrow alone. Podge is playing farmers with me.
No, he's been playing with you, but it's my turn now.
Farmers first.
Pilot!
I know. I'll play with both of you. Clear off, you birds. You can land here. Shoo, bird, shoo. Spin it down, Gavin. Get off his land.
This will never work. We can't play both.
OK, let's play pilots first.
No, farmers first.
Pilots!
Farmers.
Pilots!
Farmers.
Pilots!
Whoa!
You crashed into my tractor.
You crashed into my helicopter.
Oh, Gavin, Denzel. Hey, why don't we all go and play together on that log? There.
Great idea, Podge. It's my farmhouse.
It's my airport.
Farmhouse.
Airport.
Farmhouse.
Airport.
Oh, well, I've got to go and feed the ducks. Why don't you try and think of a game we can all play together when I get back? Quack, quack, here, ducky, duckies. Come and get it. Here, duckies. Quack, quack,
Ahoy there!
That sounds like Mr. Clopperty. But where is he?
Over here, Podge. Don't come too close to the edge. We don't want you falling in. Oh.
Don't worry, Mr. Clopperty. What are you doing in the middle of the lake?
Well, Podge, I was supposed to be clearing the lake of weeds, but I seem to have got myself stuck in them instead. Whoa!
The fun will never end.
Boo! I'm Podge. What a beautiful day. I want to have fun with my friends. I want to play a game with my friends. And I want to... where are my friends? Rooper! Denzel! Mia? Gavin!
Oh, hello, young Podge.
Mr. Clopperty, what are you doing with all these pots and stringy things?
I've just spread some turnip seeds. And those cheeky birds just love to eat them.
So are you putting up those pots for the birds to eat out of?
Oh, no, Podge. I'm putting up these pots to scare them away. They don't like the flapping, you see.
Oh, can I help, Mr. Clopperty?
Well, if you hold that tight and walk back a bit. That's it, Podge. Now hold that pot by your ear. Clopperty to Podge. Can you hear me?
Whoa! Wow! I can hear you in the pots. Can you hear me?
Whoa! Loud and clear, Podge.
But how does it work?
All you need are 2 pots, a piece of string, and if you pull it tight, you've got a homemade telephone.
Chatty pots!
Oh, yes. How empty life would be without good conversation. A familiar voice on the end of a line. Never alone.
Bye, Mr. Clopperty.
You know, Podge, I've a funny story about telephones. I was just a wee foal, about your age. It was a long time ago, you know.
Hello, Dr. Wolf. Can Denzel come out to play?
Sorry, Podge. Denzel can't have any visitors. He's very contagious.
What does that mean, Dr. Wolf?
It means that he is full of germs which he could give to you and make you sick as well. He should be better in a day or 2.
Oh, but... Ah!
Oops! Coming, Denzil! I'd better close this window, Bodge. Doctor's orders.
Oh, poor Denzel. He's got the sneezy snufferoos. I'll think of something to cheer you up.
Oh, I don't know, honestly.
Achoo! Huh?
Oh, there's that as well.
Ooh.
Very much more.
Achoo! Oh, no. Mia's got the sneezy snufferoos too. Hiya, Mia. Hmm? Yay! Over here! Achoo!
The fun will never end.
Now how are we going to get Mr. Cloppity down? With my bunch of boom idea. I won't be long. Don't go anywhere, Mr. Cloppity. Mr. Cloppity's stuck up his lifty, stretchy grabber. But I know just how to get him down, and with a soft, squidgy landing. Let's get bodging!
Okay. Must get 10 out of 10. Must get the big 10.
Mr. Niblet, Mr. Cloppity's in trouble. We need to borrow your boinky bouncer.
Then there's no time to waste.
Follow me.
Ha! Ha! Hup, 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 hup. Never fear! Niblet is here!
Hooray!
Daddy! We bought this so you could have a soft landing, Mr. Cloppity.
That looks interesting.
And Mr. Niblet is going to help you. He's an expert boinky bouncer.
Let's give him some encouragement.
With a drum roll. And a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, Mr. Clopperty. Focus.
Here goes.
Yay!
3 out of 10 for that jump, I think, Rupa.
You did it, Mr. Cloppity.
Well, yes, that was a very clever idea, Bodge. Thank you, Mr. Niblet. But with the picker broken, we'll never get all these apples.
Oh. I know, Daddy. Why don't you cheer us all up with your trumpet routine?
I suppose I could go for the big 10. Now remember, kids, I'm a highly trained athlete. Do not try this at home.
You are bouncing under a tree.
Ow! Oh. How do you like these apples?
Oops. Ooh. Bouncing under a tree? I just had another bodger boom idea. And here come the other apple pickers. Great idea to get our boingy toys, Bodge. I can bounce higher than anyone. Yippee! Look how high I can bounce.
Check out my new air bounce 500s.
Boing, boing. I can't bounce, but I could boing, boing, boing.
Can I have a go on your boingy bouncer, please, Mr. Niblet?
Of course you can, Budge.
That's a great bouncy beat you've got going there, Bodge. Hit the wobble board, Mimi. I'm digging it. I'm digging it.
Everybody boing with your hands and feet. It's time to bounce to the big bodge beat.
The Big Bodge Beat, it's a musical treat. Just boing in the air to the Big Bodge Beat.
Do a bounce. nifty trick.
Boing.
Do the pogo stick.
Boing.
Do a boingy flick.
Boing. I feel a bit sick.
Bodge, hey buddy, are you looking for a friend? Bodge, together, the fun will never end. He popped up in Giggly Park with Mimi and his pops. Bodge has lots of buddies now, the laughter never stops. Rupert, Denzel, Gavin, me.